Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, this is going to be something a little different. I'm going to take you guys on a tour of a lodge that I have recently been cleaning and taking care of for duck season. I don't know if most of you probably don't know this, but my husband is a guide during duck season, which means he takes the guys out, like people book hunts. My husband takes them out on the water. He shows them what to do. He calls the ducks in. He does the whole shebang. Anyways, but there are lodges where these people stay. And I recently got the opportunity to clean some of those lodges, just some extra money during Christmas. Anyways, and the one that I'm cleaning is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. It is gorgeous. Anyways, I wanted to share it with you guys. I wanted to just show you a little bit about what goes on during the wintertime here at the lake, and just, you know, I don't know. I just wanted to share it with y'all because it is so pretty. So I hope that y'all enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, let's jump right in. Okay, you guys, so you have to just excuse the way that I look. I literally rolled out of bed this morning and came straight over to here where I'm at the moment. Cannot wait to share this place with you guys. I have to show y'all this. Okay, so my husband guides during duck season, and as you know, it is duck season now where I live in Tennessee. It is officially duck season on Reelfoot Lake, and some of our friends have like lodges, is what they call them down here, like a hunting lodge is more or less what it is. It has lots of rooms, lots of beds, just place for the guys to get together, or families, moms, whoever wants to hunt, get together and stay and hang out. So this is one of the lodges that some of the hunters that Jordan will be taking actually will be staying here. Well, I got the opportunity to clean this place, and I was like, oh my gosh, when I got done, I said, oh my gosh, I have to show everybody because it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I got permission, and it is gorgeous. I have to share this with y'all. So let me flip this camera around and just show y'all some of the awesome details in this place. Okay, so we will just start at the front door. So the first thing that you're gonna walk into is a room that is just absolutely perfect for hanging out. I love this. This was handmade. This is obviously very custom, and it is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. So pretty. Duck season is a big deal around here. The guys really get into it. I mean, there are lots of women that get into it. I have a good friend, Kristen. She really enjoys duck hunting. So there are women that also duck hunt, but the majority of it is men. And this is just one of the nicest places to come and hang out and be able to rest and, you know, get ready for the next day, because that's all about the lake. So obviously these windows are amazing. I love all the windows. That's so awesome. And you're right here on the water, so that is very cool. And then there's like a pub table. So awesome. It matches the island, or the bar, the island, whatever you want to call that over there. He's got such nice stuff in here, y'all. So cool. This place is so pretty. How cool is that? Anyways, very cool stuff. He also has this. I thought this was pretty neat. He has a paraffin wax machine. And this is so after a long day of hunting, guys, it's hot. It's hot. It's not hot at all. It's cold. It is very cold out there. Your hands get wet. You're not in the water, but you know, you are having to reach down in the water to get your ducks after you've killed them, or just whatever. But it is very cold and it's always windy. So your hands really take a beating. So he has got a paraffin wax machine here so that you can actually do your hands, and keep them from cracking. I thought that was a very neat thing to have in a hunting lodge. Anyways, The rest of it is just wide open. I love that. All the walls are cypress, which is very cool. I don't even know if you can buy cypress anymore, so that's awesome. But all the little ducks and stuff that he has sitting out, these are just so cool. This place is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It's just absolutely gorgeous in here. Got a deer. Lots of old, like antique pieces. Oh, that's a lot of a glare there. I can't really show you guys, and I do not want to open that because those are probably sentimental. Anyways, I love the way the turkey's mounted. I think that's very cool how it's up on the wood. And then I found the cards, the card to make a reservation or whatever. So I was going to share that with you guys. If you're just ever looking for a place to come to hang out, to duck hunt, to be made feel like family, this guy's awesome. Okay, I hope my hand wasn't shaking too bad. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys upstairs and show you all the rooms upstairs because they are very nice. Let's walk out these two doors here. The water's really choppy today. I've seen so many duck hunters going back and forth out there today, y'all. It's crazy. Everybody's getting ready for the first day. They had a 2-day hunt over the weekend, and then now it's time to get ready for the official season to kick off. So everybody's getting everything together. They're brushing blinds. They're putting out decoys. There's a lot of work that goes into duck hunting. Matter of fact, if I can zoom in, you can probably see one of the duck blinds right here. That's as far as it'll let me go, you guys. Oh, wait. No, it won't. Oh, hold up. Right there. Do you see that? That is a duck blind. So is that. Those two are duck blinds as well. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so let's go upstairs. I couldn't figure out how to get my camera back to normal. This place is beautiful, y'all. I'm telling you, it's gorgeous. Anyways, all right, let's go upstairs. Look at the view. That lake is just beautiful. I absolutely love it here. Absolutely love it here. We've even got a little balcony to walk out onto. It's gorgeous. All right, so this is one of the rooms. Very pretty. Let me turn the light on so you guys can see a little bit better. It's very cool. Got a little kitchenette, refrigerator, stove, 2 beds, and a small bathroom with a walk-in shower. So very cool. Got a little couch, obviously a TV, everything you need for a weekend at the lake. You're not going to be in the room that much, you know what I mean? So this is awesome. Very cool. Okay, let's go to the other room, just right next door. And it is pretty much very similar to the other one. It's just laid out a little differently. Oh, well, I can't get the light to work. Anyways, so you got your couch, bed, kitchenette, bathroom, TV, and another bed. Very cool, huh? This is so very, very cool. Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you guys because I thought it was pretty neat, and it's kind of part of who I am and where I live, and it's what we do around here this time of year. Let me flip the camera around so I can actually talk to y'all. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I thought that y'all might enjoy this, and I don't know. I thought it was pretty cool. This place is neat. Duck hunting has been a thing around here for 1,800 years, okay? So it's just one of those things, but I love it. I love the lake. It's very special to me. Yeah. Anyway, so that's it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed your tour of, oh Lord, look at my hair. I hope that y'all have enjoyed your tour of the water's edge. And there you go. All right, y'all, that is it for today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. I had a good time putting this together for y'all. I really wanted to share this place with you guys because it's just so pretty and it's just different, and it's something that goes on down here at the lake during the wintertime, and it's just like special to our family. So I thought it would be something neat to share with you guys and let y'all kind of see what goes on and how I spend my winter. Anyways, I hope that y'all have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Speaking of new videos, I plan to have out some new DIYs soon. They will just be some winter decor DIYs. Obviously, Christmas is pretty much over or already over by the time this video gets out. So anyways, I've just been super busy and we've had a lot going on at the flower shop. It's just been wild for the Christmas season. So anyways, I do hope to have some more DIY videos out and definitely some more Dollar Tree hidden gems. Those are my absolute favorite videos to make, and you guys seem to like those. So I will be doing some more of those soon. And anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. Thank you so much for being with me, and y'all have a blessed day.